Yeah, that's blood. Okay, next project. Let me get under here. So, you can see my exhaust above me. Over here, the downpipes. So the exhaust system's aluminum, but the downpipes from the turbos to this point are steel. So they're big S pipes. And I have this like metal foil insulation stuff on there with these zip tie clampy things. Not a fan. But I do like this stuff. So I want to show you what I'm going to do next for these. It's going to be way, way cooler. And yeah, wait till you watch this process. It's pretty sweet. Here's a shot of it from the top, unaltered. So driver's side doesn't look too terrible from here. But passenger side, a little ugly. The stuff is great, but the attachment method, less than ideal. Probably gonna wrap these two. You'll see what's gonna happen. This, that down there, that there's a blow off or a wastegate. Yeah, wastegate. But I'm gonna wrap those and the pipe to it as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, I got this driver's side one off. Let me show it to you, see what it looks like. This is before I do anything. So it's a 2-piece downpipe. The light does that weird thing there. But you can see, like, I mean, it is what it is. This stuff, it helps. It's been on there a while, so it's a little dirty. But you can see that, yeah, those band clamps, not super awesome, but we're gonna make it way better. All right, first things first, I'm gonna cut this old stuff off. Get these, I don't know exactly what you call them, but they're like a metal zip tie. They worked okay. I mean, they've held. Clearly, they're hard to get off, so they're still holding to some degree. Maybe my colors are junk, but some are better than others, it looks like. I'll tell you what, let me get some more leverage. I like mechanical advantage. This one's holding on tight. The last vestige of these things on here. It's like, I'll do battle for you. I'll hang on. Holding on there, guys. Holding on for you. Ah, almost. It's not going to get me. Done. So you can see the stuff has an insulation on the inside. It's kind of crusty. I think what we're going to use is going to be even better. So I'm going to get this all, no, it looks like it's going to flake off pretty easy. But I'll get this all cleaned up and we'll go from there. Okay, it's all cleaned up. Let's go get the other stuff. I want to show you this is really cool anyway. How cool is that? It's getting more and more organized up here, but it's working pretty well so far. All right, grab a roll of this. I have some of this, but I have some down below also already that we got as a sample. So, oh, look at that, it's in there. That's so cool. All right. And there's that stuff hiding right there. All right, so stainless steel, I don't know what you call that. It's not really corrugated. It's, I don't know, embossed or something. But we're gonna fit that up with this underneath it, and then we're gonna weld it on there. No more straps, gonna weld it. I'll show you. Okay, I got the stuff marked off. Should just cut with scissors. Oh yeah. It's like, yeah, it's just I think it's a fiberglass of some sort. Would be my guess. It does have adhesive on the back, so that's kind of nice. Okay, cut that out. Cut it out. All right, so then the plan was for this to first go here because we have a bend. Oh, see, it's, geez. See, I thought 11 inches was going to be long enough, but not quite. Gonna have to go even a little more, like 12 inches. So this is a 3.5 inch pipe. And it looks like I need to go a little more. Might be okay for this, but further as we get up further, because this is under the car, it's not that big a deal. But yeah, so I'm gonna shoot for like 12 inches instead of 11 so that it goes all the way around. And then I'll just, I'm not gonna do it yet. I wanna get ready with the other material. Okay, I already started on this a little bit. Let me tell you, it's a little harder than I thought it was gonna be, but as far as getting the fitment of the material here. But this is the little welder. Dude, this thing's battery powered. It's available on Amazon for like 50 or 60 bucks. And it's sweet. It has a little foot pedal. But check this out. So here's the material. I've clamped one side to the pipe so it makes contact. And then I just go like this. Hit the pedal. Hit the pedal. So it's welding this material to the foil underneath it. Like, it's totally stuck. Look at that. That's super badass. I'm just going to keep going. Here, I'll kind of show you if I can do this with one hand. Like, what the foot pedal's down there. That guy right there. So, like, I'm just going to stick this in there like that. Hit the pedal. Can you hear it welding? Just as a little spot weld. That's it. Super simple. I'm going to keep working. You'll see a little bit as we go. But, yeah, that's kind of it. It's super, super cool. I might recommend gloves and caution. Stuff is very sharp. Yeah, that's blood. Okay, I'm making some progress on this thing. Let me show you where I'm at and some of the tricks I've learned. Wrapping it works best to do a strip like this wide and wrap it like a candy cane. It's just faster that way instead of trying to cut these individual pieces to go around. And with pie cuts, it's a pain in the butt. So that seems to work the best. Obviously on the straight portions, it's just a bigger rectangular piece folded over and welded on the back or the front or whatever. The corners, I tried doing pie cuts. They kind of work, but I just started laying pieces and then welding in pieces in the gaps. And that seems to work pretty well. It's definitely faster. And once it's welded up, like, you can't really tell. So it's definitely a learning curve, but it's working. All right, I finally got the first section of downpipe done. I'm really happy with how it looks. Check this out. Yeah. It looks stellar. I'm gonna get this mounted and we'll start on the other one. Okay, here's the next section of downpipe from the turbo and the wastegate. You can see I had this material on there before, but not nearly as nice. And they've been okay, but it's not nearly as nice as actually welding it on there. And it's degraded a bit, so we're gonna make it better. All right, I got the second part of the downpipe done, which is actually the first part that comes out of the turbo. Dude, look at this. It's so sweet. I'm so happy with this. This is so nice. Completely wrapped, all welded. It's super sweet. So we'll get this installed. I'll knock out the other side. This takes some time, for sure. I guess probably both of these first downpipes and the second longer ones, maybe 8 to 10 hours each. So I might have 20 hours in this whole thing, but it's beautiful. Here's what it looks like before I install it. I'm super happy. Like, this all looks so nice. I'll flip it over so you can see, like, it's totally encased. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. So this one is all installed. You can see how nice that looks going up in there. Let me show you the other side before I do it. So a little bit different, similar material. I think this is aluminum, but it's like zip tied on with these metal ties. And they're not awesome, but I mean, they worked for what they were. But before, after, this is so sweet. All right, we'll get to taking this one off and get it done. All right, it's all done and installed. Look, now it's not dirty from driving yet. But look how nice that is. All the way up in there, nice, wrapped. It's gonna be cool for everything. Sweet. I'll put my hands on it when it's running. Soon. All right, fully installed from the top. This looks super nice. One side, there's the other. Still gotta bleed brakes, but look at that. Yeah, that looks good.